Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have been wondering how can you read messages on Snapchat without the user being notified that you actually read the messages and the conversations. You're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video, and let's jump right into it already. So first, since we're going to be using the Snapchat application, we need to get something out of the way. Go ahead and open your Play Store, and then from here, or App Store if you're on iPhone of course, and then from here search for Snapchat and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. So once you update your app, you can finally quit the store, and let's head out to the Snapchat application and make sure you are logged into your account just like that. Now we need to go ahead and swipe left or go to conversations. And from here, just go ahead and search or look for the conversation that you want to read the messages of, and then swipe right from there, Bitmoji right here, just like I'm doing in the screen right now. As you can see guys, I can take a look of the messages without even opening the conversation, and you can do this to literally every single conversation you have on Snapchat. And once you do that, just go ahead and swipe left again, and just don't remove your finger from the screen, or else the conversation will open and they will be notified that you opened it. As you can see here, it doesn't say that you have read the conversation. Now if you find it hard to do it from the full screen, go ahead and minimize the application just like that, and then tap on it. And from here, go ahead and do the same thing. So just swipe from the Bitmoji to the right side, don't drop your finger, and then swipe back to the original place just like that. You can do that to literally, as I said, every single conversation, every single time, and you can get away with it every single time again. And that is basically how can you do that, guys. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please like and leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.